Welcome back, friends. We are on day 2 of lesson 2 in Ready Up. Learning guides, you are going to need teacher's manual, page 38, and ninjas, you guys are going to need student page 38. So keep that close by. If you need to go get that, pause the video and then come on back. In our learning progression today, we're going to look at how the long A, specifically spelled A-Y, makes that long A sound. So looking at our vowel teams, today we are only going to be focusing on that AY, that long A sound, and the spelling AY that contributes to that sound. So let's take a look at the word day. Listen as I say the word day. I hear D-A, D-A in that word. When I chunk my sounds out, I hear the long A sound. Say it with me. D. A. Now put it all together. Day. Yes, the vowel sound in day is that long A sound. Let's look at the word stay. Let's do the same thing with the word stay. St-A. Stay. Your turn. Now put it all together. Stay. Great job. Let's try with one more before we move on. The next word I want you to practice with is play. Say each sound with me. Play. Let's put it all together. Play. Say the sounds with your learning guide and come on back when you're ready. All right. On student page 38, we're going to be looking to make some words that have the long A sound, spelled A-Y. I'm going to do the first one with you. The first one that I'm thinking of is Bay, just like the Tampa Bay Rays. Ooh, there's another one. R-A. Bay and Ray also have that long A sound. See if you can fill out the rest of the chart, pause the video, adding those long A sounds into your chart, and come on back and see if we have some of the same long A words when you are finished. So you're going to fill out the rest of this chart using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words that have that long A sound. You're going to check with some of my words when you come on back, and then we'll move on. Okay, ready to see how you did? One of the words I was thinking of as I was doing this activity was pay. P-A. Do you hear that long A sound? Now I have some words that have some blends in here. I'm thinking of the word tray. Tray. Do you hear that long A sound spelled A-Y? Another one that is spelled A-Y is clay. Clay. Gray is a color with the long A sound. And play, just as in our example, play. Check your paper and see if you had some of those words. I bet we had some of the same words. If not, make sure your words have that long A sound in them. For our next activity, we are going to work on saying some word pairs. So, for the first set of words, I have the words man and lay. Do those make the same sounds, or do those have different sounds at the end? Let's say it one more time. Say it with me. Man and lay. To me, those sound different, so I'm going to put a D next to those two sounds. Let's model one more together before you guys do the rest. Let's look at the word den and day. Do those have the same sound ending? D, N, D, A. I think they have a different sound. Go ahead and try the next 4 on your own. Pause this video and come on back to check your work. You ready to check? Let's see how you did. I have the words bat and bay. To me, those sound different. I have the at sound, then I have the a sound. There's only one word there with the long a sound. Now I have the words tray and p-a. Those are definitely the same if you said same sound. Next, I have way and may. To me, those both sound like they have the same a sound. Last but not least, let's look at the pair of words pan and hay. Those definitely do not sound, even though they both have an A, they definitely do not make that same sound. P-an, A. I only hear one sound there that has the A sound. You guys did a great job today, friends. I'd like you to review some of these words with your learning guide, practice saying that long A sound with some of these words, and we'll come on back tomorrow for part 3 of lesson 2. Great job.